Hi everyone, I'm Teresa with the Healthy Habits Eating Well on a Budget program here at the Rhode Island Community Food Bank. Welcome back to another Healthy Bite mini-series. February is Canned Food Month, and here at Healthy Habits we love working with canned food. It's versatile, fairly inexpensive, and it's actually very nutritious. Throughout the next couple of videos we're going to be giving some more tips and tricks, but today we're going to focus on price differences, shelf life, and bulking up when prices are low. So let's get started. When it comes to canned foods, they can often be seen as unhealthy, not tasty, or not fresh. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. When produce is canned, it's picked at its peak freshness and then immediately undergoes minimal processing to be canned. This traps in all those good-for-you nutrients, meaning that you're still eating nutritious food. If you're looking for fresh produce and it's out of season, it's going to be more expensive. If it doesn't fit your budget, try swapping out a canned item instead to save you some big bucks. Maybe you've noticed that canned foods tend to be cheaper than fresh produce. That's because when a fruit or vegetable is in season, there is so much more being grown. This means that it needs to get used before it goes bad, so this produce is canned when it's in season and put on the shelves for a fraction of the cost. For example, let's look at this price on a popular grocery store website for corn. 4 ears of corn for $5.99. That price includes the cob and the husks from the corn, which are going to be thrown out. Instead, you could use a 15-ounce can of corn for $1.25. All the hard work of preparing the corn is gone, and you saved almost $5. Plus, canned goods last a lot longer on the shelves than fresh produce, so if you decide to change up your recipe, the corn on the shelf remains the same. When stores have sales, they can be even more budget-friendly, so if your budget allows it, stock up while something is on sale to save you more money in the future. Looking to bulk up your meal? Canned foods are a great way to add lots of food for a lower price. See this stir fry? It's full of fresh veggies and rice, but is lacking in protein. Instead of using your budget on meats, try adding beans instead. Canned beans add lean protein and fiber, which helps to keep you fuller for longer and can cost less than $1 per can.